Hello everyone, today we'll be playing a game on room access. This is to help reinforce sequencing with everyday things that most kids would be able to relate to. This one in particular is about brushing your teeth in the order that you brush your teeth. So, the point of this game is to complete the train by putting the train cars in the correct order. So first step is to go through and read each train car. The first one, brush your teeth, spit out the toothpaste, put toothpaste on your toothbrush, rinse your toothbrush, and put water on your toothbrush. So, first things first, we put water on your toothbrush. Then, we put toothpaste on your toothbrush. After that, you brush your teeth. And now you have to spit out the toothpaste and rinse off your toothbrush. And if it's right, you'll see the train drive right away. And if not, the train will not drive away and you'll have to try again. And this continues until we move on to the next task. This game relates directly to my lesson plan because it was regarding story sequencing, and kids will be able to understand in a greater sense what sequencing is by relating it to everyday life things that they already know. And it's also fun. Thank you.